JC Drill Truck-Mounted RC Drilling Rig JRC 300T is a mobile exploration unit designed for fast, efficient mineral sampling. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck, it offers excellent mobility for remote sites. The system uses compressed air to lift rock cuttings through dual-wall drill rods, delivering uncontaminated samples to a cyclone for collection. A sample splitter divides the material for representative analysis. This setup ensures high-quality, reliable data for mineral exploration. Ideal for gold, copper, and iron ore drilling, the rig achieves depths of 300 m with minimal sample loss. Its truck-mounted design allows quick relocation, boosting productivity in rugged terrains.